use them. So, today, we are going to be doing 2 marble crafts. Yay! This right here, we're going to make Mew and Wakanda Bracelets. That's what we are doing today. I'm just looking up a picture of Mew here for a second. So I got the reference on my phone of what Mew looks like. So, let's get started. So first, you can do this with paper towel roll, but we didn't have one, so I put 4 toilet paper rolls, and then a tissue box, or I wanted a longer one, so I used this old with Amazon package. Okay, and then you need a paintbrush, brown paint, scissors, extra cardboard, and the powerful thing, duct tape. Duct tape. If you don't want to paint the one, you can also do brown duct tape too. But I couldn't find it, so I'm using brown paint. And I already pre-made the top, and what you do, and take a piece of cardboard, and you cut out a circle. I just use the small circle, but you can use the cookie cutter. And then I covered it with the gray duct tape on the top, like so. So, what we're going to do first, we're going to work on the top. Yeah, so fun. So we're going to work on the top first, okay? And you will also, while the first coat of the handle line over here, put the brown paint stuff over here. We also work on the top of Mew and rip. So let me sort it extra covered. Yeah, I did not rehand this at all, so I will add it later because it is very hard to add the symbol of it. So now if you'll need a few more coats, Y. And still need a few more help adding and Y. So I'm continuing adding brown paint. My hanging object ready. I'm just taking a little piece of tape. Just tape. And lifting it like so, putting one half on the table down here, and then hold on. Now I'm gonna take, hold on. I'm putting the lanyard on my thing, like so. Oh, ta-da! Now I'm gonna add another layer. Our what's on the bracelet? So I have my hand marker I'm gonna use. So first I'm gonna cover them all. I'm gonna lay them out like so. So now no. So I'm just gonna take them. So I'm gonna cover all of them black first. Maybe not that one now. Okay. So I'm gonna start with one of them at a time. I just using, as you can see on the side. Hey, that one. So I have them set on my cupcake. We are gonna hide my on the bracelet together. So now I'm gonna put the extra and we are done. Ta-da! I still need to like write the letters on both sides. But other than that, it turned out super awesome. So once I said my name in Wakanda, and the other side say my first name. So here how the Wakanda band turned out. So here how the Wakanda band turned out. It's super adorable. Oh my god. And so that is Wakanda band. So if you enjoyed this video, no, I'm making a separate one. So this is how the Wakanda band turned out. So here in the finished wallet, here is my Thor hammer. Ta-da! And after it, ta-da! Here is the whole Thor hammer. Ta-da! Meow meow. And then here's how my Wakanda bracelet turned out. Ta-da! I'll fix it. But if you have my name in Wakanda, and yeah. So ta-da! So here on the finished product. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite Marvel movie is. And please hit that big red button down there. And liking the video really helps. Liking or disliking really helps let me know what type of content you like. And please follow my Instagram